We're here today at the McConnell Public Safety Transportation Operations Center, the PSTOC, to show you the improvements we have made since September 11, 2001 on communications interoperability. Interoperability is the ability to communicate between different agencies and different jurisdictions. There are two different scenarios. There are planned events where you bring in multiple agencies, multiple jurisdictions. Also for unplanned events like Hurricane Irene, the earthquake that we just recently had, those unplanned events where you need multiple jurisdictions to communicate together, we have that ability today. We have taken our assets and through technology, through radios, we are able to communicate from police units, fire units, our helicopter, the region in general. We have the ability for all of us to communicate. So if an incident happens where public safety, police, fire, sheriff, and our helicopter need to come out, they can all communicate seamlessly. Fairfax County has made life safer for residents over the past 10 years by providing technology and training for the first responders so that we can practice day to day being able to respond to emergencies throughout the National Capital Region.